Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and I used this calming companion for 30 days, and I want to give you my review of the CalmiGO Smart Calming Companion. What this is, it looks like an inhaler, but it's not. You breathe into it, and it regulates your out-breath, and over time lengthens that out-breath to calm you down. Now there's several things that go into this, like tactile feedback and aromatherapy and other things. Let's dig into it real quickly, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the CalmiGO here. It comes in a couple different colors, either gray or purple. And what this is a breath regulation device. It's not an inhaler. You don't inhale anything. It does come with 2 AAA batteries that you'll have to install. They do give you a card here. You can call them for support, or if you need any support or things like that. And you get a free training call with them as well, so you can take use of that if you need to. Now they give you a little screwdriver in here, so you don't even need your own screwdriver to open this device and put in your batteries. So this isn't the device. It looks like an inhaler. Again, not an inhaler. You don't inhale anything. All you do is blow into it so that it can regulate your outward breath and calm that down. It's going to lengthen your outward breath over time, and that will make you calmer. I suffer from anxiety disorder, specifically panic disorder, so I have lots of panic attacks, and I wanted to do this for at least 30 days to see if it had any impact at all on my anxiety. I'll give you a nice little bag there to keep this with, and the package that I have has 3 scent plates here of 2 packets apiece. So basically peppermint, lavender, those types of scents. And these scent plates can be attached to the device to add an aspect of aromatherapy as well. You also get a user guide and some other documentation. So let's take a look at this device. Again, this device looks a lot like an inhaler. You do have a silicone cover for this device that you can pull off. And once I get this off, I can show you exactly what the device looks like. Now on the right-hand side, there is a vibration button. So you can have it vibrate or not, depending on how you want to do this. A power button and some LED lights here. And that is the mouthpiece at the bottom where you will breathe into. So you'll breathe in through your nose and then out through your mouth into the device, and it will fill up some of those LED lights. And when it gets to the top, it will vibrate if you have vibration on, and then you will start over again and inhale from your mouth or your nose and then out through your mouth. So as it does, it has a little ball inside it, and what happens is when you breathe into the device, the ball goes up and it measures how long your out breath is, and over time it's smart enough to learn and actually adjust your out breath so that it can be longer, which should promote calm. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove this top screw here so you can insert your batteries. Again, the top screw is going to be opposite the mouthpiece side where that air exhaust port at the top is. So you're just going to want to take the screwdriver that they give you. Pretty simple here. It's 1 screw. You can open this up and you'll put your 2 AAA batteries right inside. So this is pretty simple, pretty easy. They give you all the tools to do this and get set up. So that's pretty easy. Now the second thing is you're going to have to decide whether you want to use the aromatherapy portion of this or not via the scented plates. You don't have to use it, but again, they're going for a tactile feel with vibration, an aromatherapy feel with, you're inhaling through your nose, so that scent plate is going to be right there for you. So you're going to get the aromatherapy portion as well as the breath regulation. So I've got peppermint here, and I'm going to install one of these plates just to quickly show you how it works. And then, of course, we're going to get into me actually using it so that you can see. So they've got this scented plate here, and you just have to line up the 4 tabs and snap it on. Of course, do it the right way and it will snap into place. And then you'll see on the side, if you want to remove it, it's got 2 grooves, one on either side, so you can just pull it off when it either runs out of the scent or you want to change it to a different scent. So again, it's really trying to promote calm by regulating your breathing, tactile feedback, and aromatherapy all in one. Okay, so somebody who has anxiety, this is an interesting device here, the CalmiGO, because it's regulating your breathing, and that's something that's really hard to do, especially if you have panic disorder like I do and get panic attacks. So something like this that can help you slow your exhales. You're not inhaling into the device, so there's nothing that you're really taking from the device. It's just measuring your breath when it's going out, and it can detect how long that breath is, and over time actually lengthen that out breath, which should lower your heart rate and calm you down. So it's pretty simple. You've got this little button on the side, whether you want vibration on or off. You do have a power button here, and you just click the power button and you will see the lights light up, and what will happen is I'll inhale through my nose and then exhale into the device, and these lights will fill up until they all turn blue, and I'll actually get a vibration on here that will allow me to then know that I need to take another breath through my nose and then exhale into the device again. And over time, it actually slows your exhales down so that you're lengthening that exhale breath and calming yourself. Now, I've found that doing this for 3 minutes at a time gives me an instant feeling of relaxation. I've tried it when I've had a panic attack, and it's very difficult to use the device. You just kind of have to stick with it. Anybody that suffers from panic disorder knows how tough it is to do pretty much anything when you have panic. But this device, using this several times a day, has actually started to retrain my breathing a little bit, and hopefully will keep those panic attacks to a minimum. So you're getting aromatherapy, you're getting, with the vibration, you're getting tactile feedback, and then of course you're regulating your breathing, which is super important with anxiety and stress. So overall, I think this is a really good tool to have in your toolbox if you are suffering from anxiety, panic attacks, just high stress in general. This will definitely, even just being used a few minutes a day, help with those symptoms. So overall, I'm definitely going to give this a thumbs up. This has helped me out in a bunch of different situations, and it has really lowered my overall anxiety level. Okay, so that's my review of the CalmiGO Smart Calming Companion. I've used this for 30 days. Again, I am a panic disorder sufferer. I get many panic attacks, and once the panic attacks start, it's really hard to kind of control them. But what I've found great about the CalmiGO is that if you use this a few times a day, your overall anxiety level drops. So the chance of you having a panic attack, or at least in my case, now everybody will be different, of course, has dropped. So that is a huge plus in my book. I like the fact that it's drug-free. I like the fact that it is one of those things where you can pretty much carry it anywhere, use it anywhere, don't have to really worry about it. You can use it for a few minutes every day, and it helps to retrain your breathing. If you're into aromatherapy, you get the benefits of that as well. And overall, it's a pretty solid device that can help you in stressful situations. Now, I do have a link down below that is an affiliate link if you do want to click on that, and also a coupon code as well. If you're thinking about getting a CalmiGO, you can check that out below and help you save a little bit of money. But for somebody like me who has suffered with panic attacks for over 20 years, this is a great tool to have in my anxiety toolbox. It's not a cure-all for me, but it definitely helps a lot to have a device like this, and I have seen some definite improvements over the last 30 days. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.